Hello, I'm Craig Souser, president of JLS Automation here at Pack Expo in Chicago on a beautiful Sunday. Just wanted to welcome you to our booth. If you didn't have the opportunity to visit us, let me tell you just a few of the things we're showcasing this week. We've got a new gripper that we're working with from Festo, very intriguing technology. We're showing off our vertical pack, which is incredibly compact, easy to change over, maintains the same footprint as our horizontal pack machine, and we're showing some 3D inspection technology using some advanced algorithms. If you have an opportunity and you want to learn more, please visit our website at www.jlsautomation.com. Thank you.